Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Redmagic 8S Pro, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, with that being said, performing such a reset would also allow you to get rid of screen locks if you have one set that you don't know, and unlike the typical devices that become FRP locked if your device has a Google account signed in, Redmagic isn't necessarily the best at protecting your phone, so once you do this kind of reset, it just completely unlocks it and you don't need to ever verify anything, though all the data will be gone. Now, right now I'm on the setup screen, so I don't have a screen lock to go through, but I still will go to the entire factory reset. So to get started, all you need to do is hold your power button, and in your circumstance you'll probably have the Google Assistant show up. Just ignore it and keep on holding the button till you see the actual boot options. From here, select power off, and when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. When you see the Redmagic logo, let go of the power button but keep holding volume up till you see the actual recovery mode. And here, tap on wipe data and then factory reset. This will give you a message: erase all your personal information and downloaded apps. You cannot undo this action. So obviously the message explains it pretty well, so be aware. I'm gonna now select reset, data wipe complete. So now we can select back, reboot system, and this will continue the resetting process in the background, and once that is completed, we will be presented with the setup screen. In my case, again with the setup screen. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.